Hey guys, today I have my Ipsy Glam bag plus for the month of March. I'm sorry I'm talking a little bit lower. My son's asleep in the next room, but wanted to share this quick unboxing with you guys. So this month the card says celebrate you and it has this cute little confetti. So we're gonna go ahead and jump in, and the first thing in here is the coffee scrub coconut body scrub, and this is worth $21.99. So this is what it looks like right here. It's a little satchel. I feel like this is way overpriced. I would never pay $22 for a little satchel like this. I usually buy the tubs of body scrub for probably like $5 or $6. So this just is like way too expensive. I might put this in a giveaway because anybody who knows me knows that I can't stand the scent of coffee. It does says that it's coconut scented, but it is infused with coffee. So I think I'm just going to pass this along. Next thing in here is something that I was actually able to pick out because Ipsy is doing the same thing as Boxycharm, where you can do like a choice and you can pick something. So I actually picked out the Balm Cosmetics Auto Balm Pick Perfect, and this is worth $26.50. So I was surprised when I opened the box at how small it is. It's like super tiny. I do love the little logo on here, the little pin girl. It's a little license plate, and I thought that that was super cute. I will be trying this out on my Instagram, so definitely check it out below. And it's actually like a pop-up, so you can definitely like, I guess the whole point is to buy different ones and like put it in here. I thought that this was super cute. Let's go ahead and swatch them and see. Oh, the swatches are not that impressive. Like I thought that red was gonna be like patow, and maybe with some primer it will pop a little bit more, but the shades in here just seem really nice for if you're going to go on vacation. It does have a primer, which usually I don't care for in palettes. I wish they would have just put like, I don't know, like a matte cream color or something like that. And I like the little thing on here. It says objects may be more beautiful than they appear, so that's so cute. It is like a little, you know, almost like you're looking in the rear view mirror. So that is super adorable. And I will be testing this out. And apparently you can like pop them in and like switch them with other ones. So that's super cute. And I don't know if I would pay $26.50 for this. Just I guess it's like a good price point for what you're getting. I do like the Balm's eyeshadows, some of them. I don't know, we shall see. Next thing in here is the Malin and Goetz Revitalizing Eye Gel. This is worth $42. It's a multitasking eye gel that's supposed to help with your under eyes. I've never heard of this brand, so I don't know, and the packaging doesn't really even impress me. So next thing in here is the Serafina Botanicals Luna Liner Water Resistant Liquid Black Liner. This is worth $18. So I'm not sure if this is a felt tip or not. It looks like a felt tip. If it is, I think I'm just going to put it away in the giveaway because I'm not a fan of felt tips. So it says it's a micro brush, so hopefully it's something that I like. Okay, it is definitely a felt tip. It's one of those like really thick felt tips, so I'm not even going to swatch it because I do not care for felt tips, so I will put this in a giveaway. And then the next thing in here is the Complex Culture Precise Concealer Brush. This is worth $26. We had gotten a brush from this company. I don't know if it was an Ipsy or Boxycharm, and I really enjoyed it. The quality on these brushes is really nice, and I really like the ferrule and just the style of the brush. So I will definitely be playing around with this. I have a hair falling out from it. Oh, are you gonna come out? No? Yes? So it's kind of like a triangular shape. It's supposed to be for concealer. I think that I would use it more for contouring, so we'll see if I like the style of this brush. And then the last thing is actually what I have on my lips. It basically already faded away. This is the Genza Super 8 lip oil in pink. This is worth $24. And it just feels like super nice and moisturizing. It smells like roses, which I really enjoy. And I definitely think that I'm going to be wearing this today. It looks like really hot pink in the tube, but it's literally just like a very like moisturizing oil, which I am all about. So I think that this is one of the few things that I really like. And in total, I have to say, I think like the brush, this, and the palette are the things that stand out to me the most. The other things I'm just like, eh. So as always, I will put the total value around here so you know the total value of how much this box is worth. I do pay $25 a month myself for this box. This is not a PR box. I have to say it's like, it's an okay box. I'm not like super impressed. It's just an okay month from Ipsy. I was expecting a little bit more pizzazz. I don't know why I feel like they always have me on a roller coaster where I'm like, yay, I love Ipsy, and then I'm like, why are you doing this? So anyways, this month is just like, anyways, let me know what your thoughts are. Thank you so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, definitely hit that little red button. You can follow me on my Instagram down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.